Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming the fundamentals. Open settings and verify the Apple ID age and country/region are correct, because Apple enforces regional age rules. Once done, check the linked card's issuer requirements. Some banks block teen accounts from Apple Pay. Make sure you have government ID, billing address, and any parental consent documents ready. These speed verification. If the Apple ID is underage, prepare to update the birth date, or use family sharing with parental approval to meet the requirement. You now change the settings that control access. Sign in at AppleID. Apple. To edit the birth date if allowed. If not, initiate an Apple support request to correct the record and explain the age verification. Once done, set up family sharing on your device and add a parent or guardian's card with permission, which often grants Apple Pay access for minors. Meanwhile, call the card issuer and ask them to authorize Apple Pay on the account or provision a tokenized prepaid card if they refuse due to age. You finish by adding the card to wallet and completing the bank's verification flow, typically via SMS code, banking app confirmation, or a brief phone call. Once verified, test a small transaction in store or online. If Apple Pay remains disabled, restart the device and update iOS to the latest version, because software bugs can block new tokens. If problems persist, escalate to Apple support and your bank with copies of ID and proof of parental consent. That combination resolves most age-related.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.